Hello everyone, this is Sir Marlon. Today, we take a moment to honor one of the greatest icons in Philippine entertainment, Miss Nora Aunor, who recently passed away due to acute respiratory failure. As we pay tribute to the superstar, let us also take this time to understand the medical condition that led to her death. Acute respiratory failure, or ARF, is a life-threatening condition where the lungs are no longer able to provide enough oxygen to the body or remove enough carbon dioxide. This leads to damage in vital organs and in severe cases can be fatal. ARF can be caused by many things: pneumonia, chronic lung disease, trauma, or serious infections. One of the most severe causes is a condition known as acute respiratory distress syndrome, or ARDS. ARDS is a specific and critical form of lung failure. It happens when the lungs become severely inflamed and filled with fluid, usually as a response to infection, trauma, or major illness like sepsis. When this happens, oxygen can no longer pass effectively from the lungs into the bloodstream. Patients with ARDS experience extreme difficulty in breathing and often require mechanical ventilation. Sadly, despite medical efforts, not all patients survive, especially those who are older or have underlying health conditions. In the case of Miss Nora Aunor, reports confirmed that she died of acute respiratory failure. Whether this was due to ARDS or another cause, we may never know for sure, but what is clear is that her loss is deeply felt by millions of Filipinos. As we remember the superstar's legacy, let us also become more aware of the importance of respiratory health. Conditions like ARDS and ARF are medical emergencies, and early diagnosis and treatment can make a difference.
Walang himala!
The one and only superstar, thank you for the inspiration, the music, and the unforgettable roles. Your legacy will forever live on in our hearts. This is Sir Marlon. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Stay safe and take care of your health.